Got a little bit of a hammer here off the retracement back up for Tesla on the volume chart. I don't know. It's not for me. I think we're in chop right now. Just be super careful right now, okay? Because we're retracing back up on the Qs a little bit. You see wicks on both sides. But you see like Facebook and you see Home Depot and you see these wicks coming back up, okay? 50% of the move. So it kind of, almost got a doji sitting here too, so it's hard to really predict which way we're going, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you're not getting really Netflix is just getting hammered right now, Chris. Look at this thing.
Ugly girlfriend.
Look at Boeing.
Yeah, Boeing.
Ooh.
It usually does this, and then it spins around with a star. So I don't know.
Yeah, for sure. Look at the Dow. I mean, the Dow looks like it's getting crushed. Look at that bar there.
Look, the Amazon sucking back up right here. Good
Yeah, so,
gracious.
so we got kind of got a mixed market, don't we?
Chris, you get that Amazon?
I did. I tried to sell one and hold the second, and it sold both. I'm having issues with Matrix again. Sucks.
Might have maybe have Eric go in and see what's up. Just look at your system.
Yeah.
Have him team view in and just see if you got some stuff. You may have your 9, 5, and 10 all clogged.
Yeah. That's what it is. It transferred everything.
Just have to buy him a mule or something. A couple of mules. I don't mean the ones you sit on. Okay.
Now I'm gonna trade off my iPads. I'm gonna do.
We're lucky enough to have Eric go in and do stuff. I don't know what I would do if I had to go in and rebuild everything myself. I think I'd just short circuit. I used to like doing all this stuff. Now I hate it. I hate going in or messing around with my system.
Mm-hmm.
I used to like spend 4 or 5 hours and do it, but I'm just trying to see where we're going here. I don't see a pattern right now to
Mixed.
trade.
Really mixed. Really mixed.
Like if you guys see something, just say it. Don't say it afterwards.
Nvidia's got a hammer.
There we go. Don't keep this stuff secret.
The video could do that star on the 5 right here.
Now look at this thing. Yeah, there it was too, 412. I like it. I like it.
Amazon's trying to launch here again too, Daryl.
I think the hammer's on the 5 though, isn't it? It's got a star. It's got a star on the 5.
Try Amazon back up. It's choppy.
That Russell looks heavy, Bo.
Mm-hmm. I'm not taking it. You got going dumping. Qs are chopped.
Yeah, I'd like to see some other stuff. Give me. Looks like we're having a hard time keeping green on the Qs.
Mm-hmm. You might be getting your sideways to down. Talked about it earlier. No.
Tesla's forming a hammer on the 5 and 10.
Great observation. Yeah, that thing, first trade I got into Tesla yesterday, woke my ass up. I was down like $1,200. I was like, oh, this is awesome. Thank God there was Amazon. Saved me.
Let's see if it copy that Tesla.
Yeah, that little guy, he's hard to trade in between the 1391 and the 14. I'd rather take it down at the 1372, you know what I mean? Because that yesterday was 1406 to 1390, which never got out of there for a while. Remember that? You remember, because you had to be in it. Me and you were in it.
It was painful.
I was like, I gotta get out of this. I got out of it and got an Amazon. I was like, I can't do this anymore. You know? Took a $4 hit.
Yeah, me too.
But then I got an Amazon, made $11. So I'm like, okay. This is just sitting here. I'm trying to see if this hammer holds on the 5. It's not. It's right at pre-market. Amazon is. This could do anything. I don't really know what this is going to do. Looks like it's going to go down.
That's dumping. Yeah.
Big doji on the 10.
So you got this downward move. But that's chop to me. It's just chop. You know? Do you see the volume chart? How you just don't really have an advantage? You got the inverted hammer on the top, but it's not blown through the 12 yet. So I don't feel comfortable with this trade yet, you know? That's the open, the hard body open, right there, right at the 12, 13, 12, downward. It looks like we could load up with some puts here, but it just seems choppy, you know?
Yeah. I'm gonna hold off.
Got the Qs coming down though. All right, I'm gonna take some puts here. My stop is going to be at the top of this consolidation of the 17. Okay.
Maybe on you here.
I'm just going to take a few, and if it stops me out $4, I'm going to lose $3 if it doesn't work. Okay.
Got it.
I'm only willing to give this $3. Pretty choppy though, right?
Yeah,
So how do you trade chop? You only trade like a third of your position, okay? Because we're trading off a consolidation downward. We're not trading off anything that's significant. No big like wick hammer on this side. The advantage is it's downward. The candles are making lower lows. Right there's lower lows. So we're just in chop, okay?
aim small, miss small.
Yeah, so we're downward projectile. We're below the 11. We're below, we're 8 up to 21. And we're close to the 50. So we're going on this side of the stack, and we're going on this side of the stack on the Qs. So I'm trying to get early in. So I'm in early. So the odds are about 60% down. It's not great, but it's better than 50, right? Because you're below this 11, okay?
Daryl, but on the 10 you're not.
Okay, that's a good point.
And my share bar, every time the wick, the tail touches it, it bounces back up.
Well, you know what? I love to have corrective criticism. So I'm going to go to the 10. Yeah. We're on a doji, so that makes it 50-50. Because now we're trading the doji, correct?
Yeah.
So I get a 50-50 chance of this trade working, okay?
Now it looks like you're working. There you go.
Well, I'm just taking the odds because we're on this side of the stack on the Qs. Yeah. And we got a negative tick, okay? Yeah. And the Dow still looks like it's coming down. The Russell looks pretty heavy duty. And the SPY looks like it's rolling over. You see what I mean? And Boeing looks like it's lost its, it has no flight.
No Moss.
No, yeah. Looks like it's wheels up, wheels down, you know?
Keep an eye on Netflix right here for the close of yesterday.
All right, so that 12 was the big deal. You guys should be green if you're in it. If it breaks the 10 here, we're golden. So it's right below the volume chart, 311.10. 12 was our in, so here's the 10, okay? There's 9. See ya. See ya, man.
Great job, bud.
Go, go, go.
Come on. All right, we're not going to lose half a profit. So if you're up $3, don't let it go back $1.50. Okay. I'm up 420 right now. 5. I'm looking at your P&L, Phil. I can see it.
I know you can. I want to know how you're doing it, though.
Because I'm probably in the same one yours are. All right, this is going to be choppy, okay? So take half your profit. A nice trade, huh?
Yeah, I got it with you. It's good.
Just take half your profit here,
That's
you know?
perfect.
Put some money in the bank and let the rest run. You know, when it sits there and does that capitulation right there, and it's almost at the bottom of the pre-market and it's bouncing right there, you know, just do yourself a favor and take some money. Oof, nice.
That's nice.
Yep. That was sweet.
So there's an extra $4,000 for you if you just took 5
Yep.
contracts. Is that what you did? 5 contracts?
I did 5.
Okay, and you made 4,000, huh?
Correct.
Isn't that wild how I know?
It is terrifying because it's exactly what 39.25. Thank you. You are a wild man.
Wild man.
Great day.
All right, guys, close this out and take your money, and I think we're done.
Yeah, I'm finished.
I mean, why would you make that kind of money? Why would you give it back? Wait a like half hour, come back, trade, you know?
Sounds good.
Perfect setups, make your cash, you know?
That was awesome.
All right, there's a second recording. Stop.